moving. Let's fuel the timber loader. Pump. Keep it up. This railroad hasn't been used for a long time. Let's clear it of fallen trees. Let's weld a crack on the timber loader. Ready. And now let's grind the seam. We did it! Choose the same color as in the cloud to paint the stain. That's all. We need to assemble the dressing. Keep up the good work. Let's load the empty bags onto the dressing. Done! Let's remove the remaining branches from the tracks. We need to wash the dressing. Hooray! We need to assemble the minecart. Done! Now let's load the materials into the minecart. We did it! We need to repair the rails. When we fix them, they'll be available for moving. Let's wash the minecart. Hooray! We need to assemble a garbage car. That's all. Let's attach recycling stickers to the garbage car. You're doing really great. The railroad brought us to an abandoned magic station. Let's clear the building. Let's wash the garbage car. Keep Keep up the good work. Let's assemble the flat car. Hooray! Now let's load materials for repairment onto the flat car. That's all. Let's repair the railroad station. Let's weld a crack on the flat car. Keep it up. And now let's grind the seam. Don't stop. Choose the same color as in the cloud to paint the stain. Hooray! Let's assemble the crane with cargo bed. Ready. Let's fuel the crane with cargo bed. Pump. Amazing! Let's install new roof and windows. Let's wash the crane with cargo bed. Keep it up. Let's assemble the bucket lift. You're doing really great. Now let's load the decorations into the bucket lift. Amazing! Let's install the station clock. We need to fix a crack on the bucket lift. Amazing! And now let's grind the seam. Done! Look at the cloud and choose the spray gun. Don't stop! Let's assemble the locomotive. ball. And now we need to fuel the locomotive. Pump. Don't stop. We need to check the locomotive before the long journey. Let's wash the locomotive. Ready. Let's assemble the train. Go on. Done. The station is working. Now wizards can go on a journey. Congratulations! We fixed the railroad and repaired the train station.